Hi, everybody. My name is Ariel Funderburk. I am originally from New Jersey. I currently live in Maryland, right outside of Washington, D.C. My field placement is actually with a company. It is called Art and Soul Solution. We are based in Washington, D.C., and we actually service the people in D.C. I work a lot with kids, a lot of the kids in D.C. in the urban area. Um, what is a fictional character from a book that I am most like and why? Wow. I love Harry Potter. I'm not like Harry Potter though. I would say that's really a hard one. Probably Hermione, because I'm very, very precise in a lot of the things that I do. I'm very to the point, very organized. She was always fixing problems. I feel like I'm always fixing problems for students because I'm a teacher. So I would definitely say Hermione Granger from Harry Potter. So yeah, I'm excited to meet everybody. I'm excited for this semester and good luck everybody. Bye.